Luke Jaworski here with yet another edition of Luke's A Tuesday Tip.
Luke's Tuesday Tip.
Now today we're going to go ahead and talk to you about the proper ways of maintaining your dehumidifier. First thing you need to know is, do I have the right size dehumidifier for my house? Well, go ahead and check out my video from last week, which is going to show you the proper pintage, if you will, of the dehumidifier for your basement or your crawl space. All right, now that you got the dehumidifier in here, how do I maintain it properly? Well, first thing is make sure that your dehumidifier is at least 6 inches away from the wall or any obstructions. Now, everybody has something that's 6 inches on them. And that's a thumbs up, right? Take a look at this. Thumbs up, 6 inches. Well, mine's a little bigger than that. But as you can see, I can fit my thumbs up pretty much anywhere here in the back. And so it's clear of any obstructions. Now, the next thing that you need to do once per day, you're going to go ahead and clean out this bin. Make sure there's no water in here at all. And it'll beep if it's full. If you have the luxury of having a new unit with one of these drains here, awesome, game changer. You can drain this either into a sink, into a drain that's in your basement, or you can even drain it elsewhere. Okay, now that you got those set up, one of the most important things that you need to do is ensure that your filter is clean. At least once a month, go in the back or on the side and take a look at this filter. Most of the new ones have a filter where you can stream it underwater, clean it, and then put it back in. Some of the older units have filters that you actually have to replace, but go ahead and look at your owner's manual and that should tell you. Maintain those dehumidifiers. They're super, super important. Most important thing ever. That's why I did 2 Luke's Tuesday tips on it, because really important things come in twos. Just think about it. Your eyeballs, your parents, 2 parents, and even pants. But Luke, I can just buy 1 pair of pants. See, pants are so important, they have to call it a pair. Maintain your dehumidifier, make sure it's running, make sure it's working. Keep that mold and mildew out of your basement. I'm Luke Jaworski, and that's Luke's Tuesday Tip. We'll see ya next Tuesday.